I think when people start tosses, it can be frustrating because it's hard to differentiate improvement sometimes. I recommend you count how many you got out of whatever number that you do and keep track of it practice to practice. And then as you get better, you'll start differentiating the type of catch it was, whether or not it was a good catch or not. Like, did I have to move to catch it? Or, wait, let's see if I can demonstrate what I mean. Did I have to move to catch it? Or was it right there where it should have been? And you can start counting at that level as you get better. The challenge, I think, can be if you catch 5 out of 50 your first practice, and then you catch 10 out of 50 your second practice. That's huge improvement, but you still really suck. I would set a goal that you feel good about. It shouldn't be what I think is good. I mean, if it's only 20, it's only 20. If it's only 10, it's only 10. I think it's more important to do something than nothing. And I think if a big number is going to intimidate you, then don't do that. But a bigger number will give you A, more practice, and B, more of a sample size to give you a sense of how good at it or not good at it you really are. Because like if you only do 2 and you catch one of them, and that's 50%. But if you do 10 and you only catch 2 of them, that's 20%, not 50%, right? You have more data when you have more numbers, so, or more granular data, I should say. Okay, great. I think 10 is a good start if you've never done them before. The thing is, you might just start and be like, oh, I'll do another 10. Oh, I'll do another 10. I just think it's really helpful to keep track, especially in the early phases, because like I said, 5 to 10, you still suck. Even 5 to 25, you still probably feel like you suck. You're still only catching it a quarter of the time. I mean, eventually it'll be a totally different game, and the game will be, how many can I do in a row without dropping or stopping? And my number is I want to say 117 on one side and 86 on the other side. So, but like that's, you don't start there.